Well, we're on our way to Maumee State Park in Ohio. This is our first camping trip of 2020. So this is kind of our shakedown camping trip.
Take exit 9 on right to Front Street.
This trip is just an hour from our home. Very close. So we're finally sitting down, relaxing. Just gonna have a little snack, a couple hot dogs. This is our site. It is peaceful, it is quiet, and it's beautiful weather. He caught me looking at him. Just listen to that fire crackle. Can you hear it? Trying out my new cooker. So far I'm loving it. Only thing I would suggest is putting something to block the wind. It's very windy where we are. So I took a piece of aluminum foil and just bent it right to the side to block the air. You can do all 4 sides if you need to. The one side seems to be keeping the flame going. And here I have some mushrooms sauteed. What's great about this wok is it's a good height for cooking. And you just gotta connect it to the portable propane. Works just great. Well, this morning we decided to get up and take a ride. We rode around the camp loops and made our way to the beach. It's a really nice ride. That wood is very interesting. Talk about tiny. Okay, so Michael's about to go walk up that hill. Bikes are prohibited, so I have to stay behind because we're on our bikes. I'm not that sad. I didn't really want to go up that hill anyway. That's him. They say you can see the lake from there. This pond backs up to some of the sites on the campground, but not all. Our photo bikes are wonderful. They take us anywhere we need to go. When Michael's outside preparing the camper for us to leave, we are heading out today. This is a relaxing, wonderful weekend. We love this park. We have picked out sites for our future. And I must say, Ohio, we will be back. Well, we're all packed up and we're headed back to Michigan. We're doing our final walk around to make sure we didn't forget anything or leave anything. Michael's doing his final inspection, and we will be back. Well, this is the not so glamorous part of camping. We're waiting in line for the dump. It's about 3 campers ahead of us, but we're in no rush. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video.